Hello everyone, welcome to Unify Study. Today I am going to show you that how you can arrange a webinar or any meeting Google Meet, because if there is more than 100 participants, right? You know that in Google Meet you cannot able more than 100 subscriber, more than 100 participant. But nowadays, because of lockdown, there are so many webinar is going on, but so many so many management team are facing the issue that if there are 100 more than 100 listener, or if there are more than 100 participant, then how they can arrange. So there is a shortcut, there is some method, it is my method what I am doing for any Google Meet. So I will share that. In that way you can arrange the meeting also. That is the option for there, that you can extend, there is no limit for extension, so you can extend that, right? So just now I am showing you how you can do that. First one, what you have to do, that you have to do the Google Meet, right? You have to start the meeting, right? I am starting a meeting. So just now I am starting a meeting. So just I am allowing the camera, and you know that is allowing, you have to allow. Then I am join. Okay, I am joining the meeting. Yes, I am not adding anyone, I have joined the meeting, right? So now how I can show this in what I will do, the concept is that in this meeting I can send and I can join there, maximum 100 people can join, right? Now I will extend this meeting. How? Because I will extend this through YouTube live. Yes, that is the tricks you can do. You can do the YouTube live, so that if there are extended people, they can join the session through the YouTube, right? So they can able the session, they can interact with you with the YouTube, and for that you have to use the mobile, right? From this mobile you have to open your YouTube channel, and from that YouTube channel you can see the comment and you can reply them, and that is a good option, I think, if there is no option, right? So that's why I am showing you. Just minimize this and just now go to the YouTube channel, go to your YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel, and from there just click that go live. Okay, so in that go live, what you have to do, that you have to stream, right? Now I am doing the streaming, and I am dismissing the previous, because I am taking live classes, so there is the settings. So I am dismiss the setting and I am showing you from the new. So I am creating a new stream, that is the test meet. Okay, I am testing the session, and here also you can do, I am doing this private, because I am doing it for the my private purpose. I am recording the video, because I will public is there, then all the subscriber will come to my channel. So I am making it private, but please make it public for you. Okay, and there you have to choose the category. So any category, whatever your Google Meet, maybe the education category. So if you have to select the education category, so select the education category. Then what you have to, that schedule. So if you are taking this now, then there is no schedule, but if you are trying to schedule it for later, then click on this schedule and try to do the schedule. And this schedule should be means definitely when you are scheduling the meeting for the webinar or for any Google Meet, then as per the schedule, same schedule you can put here, right? Now try to upload the thumbnail as per your requirement. You can upload your thumbnail, and if it is for kid or not kid, that is the YouTube performance. So I am making it not for kid. And now create stream. Okay, so when you do the create stream, what YouTube will ask? YouTube will ask for the stream key, because for this you have to stream through a third party software, right? That third party software will help you to live your Google Meet session in YouTube. So for that, what you have to use, you have to copy the stream. Now after copying this stream, where you have to paste, right? That is the question, where I have to paste. So I am showing you that what you have to do, you have to download a software, that is OBS Studio. Just write down OBS Studio, and this is compatible with YouTube, and just you have to download the OBS Studio for your version Windows, Mac or Linux. My version is Windows, so download the software and install it. Already this is installed in my computer, that is why I am not downloading and I am not installing. So after installing, you can see there is the OBS Studio icon will be there. So open the OBS Studio, then OBS Studio will looks like this. I am showing you, this is the OBS Studio, and there you have to make some settings from these sources. From these sources you can see there is the video, picture. If you want to do the, if you want to show the video picture, then you can add. There is the mic setting, and there is the most important, that is display capture. Here you can see that display capture. In this display capture you have to select the complete window, full window capture. Okay, please select that, the full window capture. Full window capture means whatever you are showing in your window, that will be streamed in your Google, in your YouTube. Okay, so what you have to do, that here you can see the settings. Now go to the settings, and in this settings go to the stream. You can see the stream option, and this service you have to select in this service, that is YouTube and YouTube Gaming, right. Now in the server it is, now there is stream key. This is the stream key, you have to copy and paste from the Google, right, from the YouTube, what YouTube is giving you. This is the stream key. Just copy the stream key and you have to paste it. I am pasting this stream key, and after that what you have to do, that apply. Just apply this stream key, and after applying this stream key it will be live. How it is live, I am also showing you that. I am applying this stream key for now, and it is okay now, right. Now if I start streaming, now I am start my streaming, and just after streaming starting, then what you have to do, you have to go to your Google Meet, right. You can see I am showing my Google Meet here. So I will show you through my mobile that from here I want to do one thing, that here you will show that stream setup. Now here it will ask the stream setup. If the stream setup is successful, you have to copy this. I am copying this and I am pasting this again if anything is wrong. Because of something, stream key is missing, so let me check again. Maybe yes, now I think okay, and now I think stream will start streaming. Yes, now it is start. So you can see, if you go to the YouTube, it will show that it is starting the streaming. That's see, this is showing you excellent collection. Means if you show, if you see the YouTube Meet, from this Meet if you show it, then this will be visible to you, and just you have to do the go live. From this go live button, now if I go live, now it will be live in my YouTube, right. It will be live in my YouTube. So just I am showing you from this. Now you can see this is the YouTube Studio is showing. Now if I show you that if I am showing this meeting, I am showing this meeting, so this meeting will come here. See, so after some moment this meeting will come here. See this, just see this, just 1 minute, hold 1 minute. Yes, see this meeting is showing, right. So in that way you can do, and I am showing you the link, how you can get the link. Go to your YouTube channel, and from this I think this link will be available to me because it is private video, maybe that's why the link is not showing. So now it is live. Okay, now it is live, and you can share this because I make it public, that's why it is not showing. So try it, you can do it, and I am showing, I have already done a Google Meet using this way. So I am showing you that video. from that video you will get more confidence that it is possible. So, there was a doubt clearing session. In that way I have already cast my session. So, this is, you can see, this is the doubt clearing session. Here you can see in my YouTube I have done this live session, and it is possible just whole window, you entire session you can do. So, try it. If you are facing any issue, please let me know, then I will guide you. Thank you so much. I think this video will be helpful for you all. So, stay tuned with Unify Study. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get more latest update and to get more tricks about the online strategy. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.